This 2026 East to West Acclaim 2700 BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Alachua, Florida, 32615 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Gainesville. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new East to West is 31 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, Slideout, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.